Example 16. A cone is resting on HP with its base and axis is parallel to VP. The diameter of base is 50 mm and axis is 65 mm long. Draw the projections of the cone if it is cut by a section plane inclined at 45 degree to the HP and 35 mm away from base. Assume the cutting plane to be perpendicular to VP. Also obtain the true shape. Here we are having again a cone. The solid given is here cone, which is resting directly on HP with its base. So the top view will be a circle and front view will be a triangle, and the section plane is inclined to HP. We have already seen this type of question at the beginning of this section, problem number 2 or 3. So, and it is 35 mm away from the base also. But here we have to obtain the true shape. So first we will see how to imagine this. So it is a cone directly resting with its base on HP. As you have already seen, top view circle, front view triangle. I'm going to take the section plane here. Uh, it is given inclined, but here now on your screen it is parallel to HP. So when it is the section plane is now parallel to HP. Now I will make some inclination with respect to HP. As you can see here, I am tilting it, and we can view this from the front. It will become easy. Just wait. So when you view this from the front, it will look like this with the section plane. Now I am cutting with the section plane. It is parallel again. So as I told, we have to tilt it with an angle of 45. So let us say the angle lies here. No, I will place somewhat below because it is passing through the point 45 mm away from base. So let us say this is the final position, and this will be its isometric view, and this is going to be its final front view, and this is going to be its top view. And you can observe one ellipse like portion which has been formed because of the cutting plane. So I'll remove planes now here. So this is going to be our final position of the cutting plane. This is the front view, as you can observe closely, and this is going to be our final front view and top view. Top view will have a circle and ellipse, but we have to also see its true shape. So for this reason, you have to observe it one more time here. As you can see from the angle of cutting plane, which is perpendicular to the cutting plane, you see that this ellipse, this portion which is now visible on your screen, the cut portion, this is going to be our auxiliary view or true shape. Now you can see that this ellipse. So now we will draw this in this manner. This is going to be our final front view, top view and auxiliary view. We'll first draw the front view, top view of this cone because it is resting on the horizontal plane. See, this is the 25 mm radius and 50 mm diameter which has been given in the question. This is your say XY plane, and in the question the axis height is mentioned as 65 mm. So I am taking 65 mm here, and this completes our front view and top view. And the section plane is given at a distance of 35 mm from the horizontal plane, 35 mm away from the base, and the angle is given with respect to the horizontal plane. So we have did this kind of question earlier also. I am taking directly here. This is at 45 degree. This is our section plane, say XX,
Now to get the top view, we have to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Let's say 12. So this is 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degree. So our circle is divided into 12 equal parts now. Now we will number this parts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I will project these points upwards so that we will get generators. This is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash at the cap, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash. So the section plane is cutting the first generator here. So I have to project this line below. So we will get point A here. The section plane is cutting the second line, second generator here. So we will get one more point which is B here. Section plane is cutting the third generator here. So you will get one more point as C here. The fifth generator has been cut here. So if I take the projectile, say D here, and this is E. I have not taken the fourth point because I know it will come here only, and the sixth generator has been cut here. So if I take projection here, you'll get one more point here, and the seventh generator is cut, will get cut here. So this is D, E, F, G, and again we have to repeat these points. So this will F, G, H, again from taking from E only, I, this is J from C only, K. Now you see that there are some points, say I, J, K, L. If you join all these points, you will get a shape similar to an ellipse. So we have got an ellipse, and we have to do the hatching here. You can do this after erasing the inside line of the ellipse so that it will look good. And now we have to draw the auxiliary shape also. For drawing the auxiliary view, I am taking an auxiliary plane first, say at here. This is my x1 y1 plane, and I will project from each generator and the section plane. See, the section plane cuts the generator here and here. So I am taking this here, and our ellipse will come inside this portion. Now for the other points, we have to take projections from all the meetings of section plane and the generators. Now we'll use our compass scale. From xy plane to the letter A, we are having a distance of this much. So from xy plane, I am marking point A here. So we have got all the points here. If you want, you can name them from here. This is point A, and here the last point is G, and similarly this is B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K in this fashion. So if I join all these points, I'll get an ellipse in this fashion. So I have to do hatching for this also. What I will do is I will just do the hatching in another fashion. So this is your true shape.
This is the final solution of example number 16. As you can see, when the cone is resting directly on its base on HP, and when the section plane is inclined to HP, as you can see here. But the important thing to note here is the true shape, which is here. As you can see, this true shape has been obtained by taking lines perpendicular to the section plane.